Guys, this is my first video on YouTube, and I just got home from school I just got home from school, and this is my first video. My dad just set up a YouTube account for me, but now this is gonna be a short video. But I don't know what I'm saying this. Tell me in the comments if I'm skipping any words. Like, dude, you're beeping crazy. You skip like 1,000 words. So, hey, enjoy this video, please, and maybe in a couple years, or maybe a lot of years, I might be up to 1 million subscribers. And I know you're thinking, dude, this guy's lame. He's not gonna get, he's just gonna get 1 subscriber. Everybody knows that. And then, yeah, but just please like my videos that I'm gonna make. I already have a YouTube set up. Oh, hey guys, this is my friend Lance.
Oh yeah, 6-pack.
Bye. Okay, dude. Oh. Okay, dude, just go set up your YouTube account now.
No, it's already set up.
Okay, goodbye. No, what did I say about playing in my room? Okay. Okay, so sorry guys.
Pizza's ready.
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
Okay, so thanks guys for watching, and please just comment below what you want me to do in real life, like challenges. Hey, you know hey, do you know Wasabi Vlogs? It's a YouTube video. I'm just gonna be like that. So you're just gonna comment me some stuff that I want to do, and yeah. So thanks guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.